Our customer Todd is in need of a calibrated level transmitter. We know that the vessel we're going to measure the level on is 72 inches tall. And we know that the product is close to that of water. And the measurement for the hydrostatic head pressure that creates is expressed in inches of water column. That's a pressure. We have a level transmitter that converts hydrostatic head pressure into a direct current output. The output range of the transmitter is 4 to 20 milliamps. 4 represents a level of 0%, and 20 milliamps represents a level of 100%. Given this information, what is the current milliamp signal with a 50% level in the surge tank? The transmitter output would generate 12 milliamps at 50% level. Todd, our customer, has informed us that he is going to use molasses as a sweetening agent in one of his future products. Molasses weighs 1.4 times more than water. Water has a specific gravity of 1. Therefore, molasses has a specific gravity of 1.4. Given our 72-inch height of the tank, what would we calibrate the level transmitter to in inches of water column? Because the molasses has 1.4 times the specific gravity of water, we cannot calibrate the level transmitter to 72 inches of water column as previously discussed. We need to calibrate it to 100.8 inches of water column in order to generate 20 milliamps on our level transmitter. The individual operator working in Todd's facility will be monitoring the tank level during production. The tank level is expressed in percentage. We will associate one or more alarms with that tank level so that the operator, should he receive an alarm, can make an intelligent decision and take the appropriate action in order to correct the error. Consider the following. If a given tank in Todd's facility is at 54 inches of fluid level, what would the output be expressed in milliamp of that level transmitter, and what percentage would the operator of the system see on their monitor? An alarm is set to go off if the tank reaches 85% capacity. If the transmitter produces an output of 17.7 milliamps, will this trigger an alarm? The level transmitter will generate 16 milliamps, and the operator will see 75% level on his display. And yes, there will be an alarm activated. 17.7 milliamps equates to 85.6% level.